Hello, I'm Nura. Welcome to my channel. I'm here with another analog photography video, and today I will be talking a little bit about the Instax mini film, especially the Confetti one. If you're into analog photography or instant photography, I'm sure you've come across the Fuji Instax mini films before. These are the most common instant films nowadays, and there are over 20 different versions of it. And the most common one is the color photo with the white frame. And there's also the black and white version, which is only in production for the last couple of years. And as far as the color one goes, you can get different frames as well. And as I said, the white is the most common one, but you can also get it in blue, pink, or black. And I've already used the black and blue ones. And then there are the special effects. On Amazon or eBay, you can always find different stickers that you can use with this. So if you shoot the white one, then based on which photo you want to add color to, you can put a sticker. But if you buy a pack like this, then things change. Instead of the white frame, you get the special design. And in this one, it's called the Confetti. And this is a 10 exposure pack, so I will be getting 10 photos out of this. And the frames will change colors. So here you can actually see it's shifting from like pink, purple to teal. And based on the Fujifilm website, it looks like the first couple of photos will be pink, and then it's gonna shift to purple, and from there it's gonna turn towards the teal and again with pink, I think. And we'll see how it goes. So I finished the Confetti film, and it was a little different than I had anticipated. But before I show you the results of that one, here is a few different special edition films that I used. So, as I said, I finished the film, and it's a little different than I had anticipated. So I can just sort of show it like this. In the Fuji website, it was showing that the first couple of photos would be pink, whereas mine started with this dark blue and like this. And from here, I had another sort of bluish one, and then it started getting sort of pink, and here you can see all the results. And from these, my favorites are, of course, these two, because let's just admit it, he's cute. And then I really like this one, which is the streets. And also these two from the ancient sites. And this film is actually a little different than the other special editions because it has, I don't know if it's visible here, but it has a shine to it, almost glittery. And it's, when you touch it, it's smooth, but it looks like it has sequins on it almost. So I quite like the result, and to get this color shift was a surprise in itself. And I really like these special designs as opposed to just the plain white ones. So if I shoot the white one, then I usually like write something on it or something like that so that it is more colorful. But as I said in the beginning, before I started using this, when you start one pack, you need to finish it all. So it's better to sort of plan ahead and then make sure that you're gonna like the results that you get. So here are all the photos. Just a little reminder before I go, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Bye!